Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Walmart Marketplace with AI product listing automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Walmart Marketplace seller account. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Select Settings and then click on Marketplace Settings. Under Integration, find the API Credentials section. Here, generate your API keys if you haven't done so already. Make sure to securely store these keys as you will need them for automation. Next, choose an AI product listing tool that integrates with Walmart Marketplace. Many tools offer features like bulk listing, AI-driven optimization, and real-time updates. Install the chosen AI tool as per the provider's instructions. Once installed, proceed to link it with your Walmart Marketplace account using the API keys. Follow the prompts in the AI tool to authorize the connection. After establishing the connection, configure the product listing settings. Set up your product categories based on Walmart's requirements. Upload your product data in bulk or one by one as per your inventory. Remember to include essential details like SKU, product title, descriptions, and images. Utilize the AI tools feature for automated optimization of titles and descriptions. This will enhance your listings for better visibility on the Walmart Marketplace. After finalizing your product listings, review them for accuracy. Pay special attention to compliance with Walmart's policies and guidelines. Once satisfied, proceed to publish your listings. Monitor your listings regularly for performance metrics. Utilize the analytics features within your AI tool to track sales and customer interactions. Make adjustments based on the performance data to improve listings dynamically. Stay updated with Walmart's policies and marketplace changes. Regularly refine your AI tool settings for consistent optimization. By following these steps, you will successfully configure Walmart Marketplace with AI-driven product listing automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.